So let's solve GATE 2023 question paper, and our new batch for 2024 has already started today, 15th Feb. We had today introductory class. So I will also upload that video after this video, so that you can go through our lecture 1 day 1 class. And in that day 1 class I have explained everything, and my old batch students were also there, and all the guidance, how to do, what to do, everything, and new batch students were also there. So that video is very important. That is 1 hour video. After this video you watch that video also. Let's start with the question. So you are delaying the completion of the task, send, and here you will put send your contribution at the earliest. Now go for the next question. For this reference you should use cite. Right now I'm not explaining because it is not important. It depends how good you are in English. Then you go for this. This is very interesting question. You see the best part here, it is parallelogram. So this line and this line will be same line, and this line and this line will be same line, this line and this line will be same line. So idea is, if you consider this angle as theta, then this angle will be theta. Okay, so idea is, in this triangle, if you consider sine theta value, then that is nothing but 5/7, correct? So same 5/7 should come if you follow this triangle also, right? In that triangle, if you calculate sine theta, then this is going to be 4 by your x value. So you can see here, this side is nothing but equal to this side. So if this is x, this is x, so that x value only we have to find out. So this is nothing but 5/7. Okay, now this 5/7, you multiply this part here and you multiply this part here, so 28/5. So this is your correct option. I hope you understood this part. Now you see, again this is a English problem. So if you will go through, this is very logical, easy problem. Then you will get this, some field medalists have dropped out of college. Okay, that will be your right answer. You will be having right question paper, you just match, because in some question papers it will be like shuffled. Now you see, this is interesting question. A line of symmetry is defined as a line that divides a figure into two parts in a way such that each part is a mirror image of other part. So we have actually, in this they are defining what is the meaning of line of symmetry. So in our diagram they have given two line of symmetry. One is this line of symmetry, okay, and one is this line of symmetry. Okay, now they are asking, both PQ and MN will be line of symmetry. What are the extra shaded regions should be there so that they will be line of symmetry? So point is, if you will be doing this region as shaded region, then you can see this one already symmetry, because you can see this and this, they are exactly at the same. And so I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, right? And not only that, if you are doing this shading, then this and this will also become symmetry. So it means, to make MN as symmetrical line, you need one more square. Okay, so answer is one more square. After that, to make PQ as a symmetrical line, so you see here, so if you will shade this region, okay, and if you will shade this region, correct? I hope it's going well. So for PQ line you need 2 extra, because already this one is coming with respect to this one. So 1 plus 2, total 3. Okay, I hope you understood. Now you may do mistake if you will think like this, that for this PQ you need one for this, so you need this one, so 1, and 1 for this, so you need this one, so 1 more, so 1 for this, you need 1 more, so 1 for this, so you got 3 now. And if again you will think that for MN also you need 1, so then it will be 4, then it is wrong. So 3 is the right answer. I hope it's clear. Then again this is the English part. So human beings are one of the, like this, that is, if you study, I have gone through this. So finally I am getting 1 2 3 all are correct. See, I have gone through in detail just now, so I am going through 1 2 3 correct. Now see here, this is easy question. To construct a wall we need sand and cement, correct? So we need sand and we need cement, and sandbags, if you go through sandbags, so you need 3 bags of sand and 1 bag of cement. Okay, 1 bag. So they are saying if you are going to purchase these 4 bags, then you have to pay like for 1 bag of sand you will pay 1 rupees, you can see here, and for 1 bag of cement you will pay 2 rupees. Means 3 bag of sand, it means 3 rupees, and 1 bag of cement, it means 2 rupees. So total 5 units you are paying. So this 5 unit is nothing but 1000 rupees. It is coming here as 1000 rupees. So for 1 unit it is 200 rupees. So they are asking for cement. So for cement 1 unit. Okay, but how many cement we have? We have 2 unit. Okay, for 1 bag you have 2 unit, right? So 400. Okay, so 400 is the right option. Then in this World Bank, if you will read into detail, you will find out option C is the correct option. Then this is very easy, like you can go with this trick also, but it is always easy if you will open this cube and then open this cube. So here you will be having x term, and here you will be having x cube term, here you will be having x square term, here you will be having x square term, here again you will be having x cube term, here again you will be having x term. So these terms if you will multiply together, like x you multiply with x cube, you will be getting x power 4 term, x square you multiply with x square, you will be getting 1 more x power 4 term, x cube you multiply with x, 1 more x power 4 term, then this coefficient, this coefficient, this coefficient, you go for algebraic sum, you will be getting 33 as the right answer. Okay, now which one of the following shapes, so we have 4 shapes, this can be used to tile means you know in our new building our floorings we used to do tile, right? Suppose this is my floor, then we put tiles like this, right? Tiles like this, like on the wall also we put tiles, right? In the new houses you may have seen. So they are saying suppose you have a flat plane, but condition is that flat plane is extended to infinite in all the directions. Means suppose this is your 2D. Okay, so this is going in this direction also till infinite, this is till infinite, this is infinite, this is infinite. It's like suppose right now my screen, you see completely you have to fill the screen, so which without leaving any empty space it is going to till infinite. So now see the right what to say, right idea I will show you here. So actually from now I'll tell you the right answer is rhombus. From my side I am taking rhombus as the right answer, but now I'm going to tell you the idea why rhombus is correct one. Okay, so for that I'm using okay, I'll go to some other folder, not this folder, I'll take you to this folder, ITG folder. Okay, suppose this is your space, wait, suppose this is your space and you want to fill this space. So to fill this space, a perfect thing is either you take a square or you take this kind of this thing, correct? Imagine if you are filling this with circle, then what will happen? You can see, right? You can see like this, you can see like this. So voids will come there, right? Holes, you can see here hole, here hole, here hole. So it is not coming properly. And imagine if you are not filling by circle, suppose you are filling by octagon size, something like this, right? These kind of structures. Then again, when one person will come to come into the contact like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. So again voids may come. Right now diagram is not coming very proper, but you imagine like this. Regular diagrams are there, na? They are regular diagrams. Because actually angles should be of that. You can see you are able to fill this, correct? Now, but here in case of pentagon, if you check the angle, then you will understand this. See, in case of regular pentagon, you have 5 sides. So theta here, theta here, theta here, theta here, theta here. So 5 theta is equal to 360. So theta is equal to 120, correct? So inside will become 60. So outside angle it is 120. Okay, this angle is 120, inside angle is 60. So according to that you check. If I want to know that, you just extend this in this way and then you think about the angle part. But if you check in case of rhombus, rhombus will look like this, right? Then you adjust one more rhombus like this. then you adjust one more rhombus like this, then you adjust one more rhombus like this, then you adjust one more rhombus. What is idea here? Idea is, if you will put one more rhombus below, then you can actually, what we are trying to do, we are actually drawing a straight line, straight line, straight line. Okay, and now problem is, you may claim that, sir, this gap, what about this gap here, what about this gap here? Or you may claim that, what about this gap here? But we don't have to bother about this gap, because they have mentioned that this is infinitely long. So this side we are safe side, correct? Here only you are having trouble, na? This side and this side. So that we can prove this. Okay, it is infinitely long. So who is going at the infinite? So in case of infinite, we used to consider these kind of things, right? So this was my idea about the solution. Thank you, and join the classes from 15th Feb and wait for the core solution by tomorrow. I'm very tired, continuously back to back, because I had classes today also. So I'm uploading core videos as soon as possible. Thank you.